Hello everyone, what's going on? Children, welcome back to English class today. Today's date is 29 of July 2020 and it's Wednesday today. Children, in recapitulation we shall see adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Okay, dear children? Now, in explanation, we shall be doing Pathways Grammar, chapter number 1, page 19 to 20. And assignment will be question number 2, page 20. Summary for today. To understand the correct order of adjective. When a sentence has many adjectives, there is an order to be followed to place them at the right order. Okay, dear children. So, come to Pathways and open page number 19. Before going to our book part, we need to understand adjective order. Okay, dear children. So, in English, we sometimes use more than one adjective to describe a noun. We cannot just put them wherever we want. Okay, dear children? So, we need to remember that there is a proper way of putting them in order. So, remember children, how to put them in proper order. Okay, dear children, if you see the slide, you will see example over here, a big black wolf. Wolf is the noun we are describing. Okay, and two adjectives for this, big as well as black. Okay. So, how we will know that which adjective will come first? I am going to tell you a tip today. You have to keep that tip in mind. Okay? If I say a black big wolf, it's wrong. Okay? So, here is an acronym. I have already told you in the writing section what is an acronym. For you to remember the correct adjective order, NOSASCOMP. Okay? So, remember this. Nosascomp. Nosascomp. Understood, dear children? So, write it down fast. Take a screenshot. Now, what does it mean? I am going to explain you. Okay? So, N, number, okay? In NOSA, this number N, number. O means opinion. S for size. A for age. S for shape. C for color. Okay, dear children? Now, O for origin. M for material. And P for purpose. Take a screenshot. You have already in your book page number 19, but still I request all of you to take a click of it. Pause the video and take a click. Okay, dear children? Now let's see what does these words mean. Okay? Number describes the number of nouns 1, 2, 3, 400 legs, like that. Opinion means that describes your judgment or what you think about something. It was a very horrible sight. It was a very beautiful dress. Okay. So this is your opinion about something. Okay. Now then, size describes how big or small something is. Huge, tiny, small, tall, short, like this. Okay. Now, age describes how old or young something is. Okay, this is a very old book. I have bought a new watch today. Okay, so these are the age related words. Antique means the older one. Yes, shape describes the shape of something: circular, square, triangular, rectangle. Okay, dear children. Now, color. Color describes the color of something: black, green, pinkish, blue, like that. Okay. Origin describes where the noun is from. We are from India, so we will be called Indian. Okay. Chinese, Italian, okay, American, African, Australian, like this. So, our origin. Material describes what the noun is made of. Okay, wooden, gold, leather, plastic, metallic, etc. And the purpose describes where the noun is used for. Okay, early humans used tools for fishing. Okay, I need cashew nuts for cooking. Purpose: why I need cashew nuts? For cooking. Paneer labab. Okay, sleeping, sports. So these are the things used for purposes. Understood, dear children? So this is going to really help you, and keep all these things in your mind. The most prominent thing is that you have to remember the acronym. Okay, NOSASCOMP. This is the acronym for this. Okay, acronym means the first letters, okay, of the words from which we have made this new word. Okay, dear children? Yes. So children, come to page number 19. Okay, put the date over here. Today's date 29-7-2020. Okay, dear children. Now read with me order of adjectives. Okay, I request everybody to write the acronym here. NOSASCOMP. Okay, dear children, this will help you to recall how you have to put the order of adjective. Okay, dear children. Now read the sentences given below. Swami's father was an intelligent, middle-aged man. Next, Swami was a simple, young village lad who grew up in a small, remote, coastal Indian village. Now, when we use more than one adjective in a sentence, we have to place them in the right order. Okay, dear children? So, order I have told you how we will put. There is a chart given here, table. Okay. In this table, one thing is missing. You should write number at the first place. Okay. Number, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. Okay, dear children, then these are the objective case here. Okay. Now hope you have understood everything, what opinion means, what number means, what does the size mean, age, shape, etc. Okay, dear children, clear? Now come to the exercise. In the sentences given below, check whether the adjectives have been placed in correct order. Rewrite the sentences and place the adjectives in the correct order where required. Refer to the table given above. So above we have this table, and according to this we have to do this. So you have place here, you can rewrite them, or you can put numbers for the correct adjective order of adjective. Okay. So Caesar is my trustworthy. Put number 1 to trustworthy. Second will be tall. Third, athletic. 2-year-old Doberman. Okay. Listen again. Caesar is my trustworthy. Put 1 above trustworthy. Tall 2. Athletic 3. 2-year-old 4. Okay. Doberman. Where the road curves, you will see a gloomy. Put 1 over gloomy. What the word will come first? Gloomy, old, green, brick house. Second is old. Third is green. 4 is brick house. Okay. Brick over here has been used as an adjective. She has written a boring first. First word will be boring. Second is heavily researched. Put 2 over here. Heavily researched. Third is 560 page. Fourth will be detective novel. Okay, novel at the last, objective case. Next, the triangular. So, how you will write? The large. First of all, we will go for the size. So, large. Large will take 1. Number 1. Large than shape. Triangular. Second. Okay. Put 2 over here above. Triangular. Blue walled. Put 3 over here. Blue walled. Okay. Meeting room was designed by my mother. Got everyone? Yes. The large triangular blue walled meeting room was designed by my mother. See children, I have rewritten this sentence here. You have enough space to write for them. I have told you the numbers. So listen them again. Okay, and take a screenshot too. So it will help you to rewrite it. Now let us come to page number 20. Okay dear children, can you see pictures over here? Yes children. So these pictures are going to help you to frame different sentences. To frame different sentences, what you need children? See, I have a sheet with me. You can take it out from R&B. Put glue gum over here and you have to stick like this here. Okay, you will stick this because you have to frame sentences. So you can do this. So mark here HW. This is your assignment, practice work, homework. Okay. You will do it by yourself. Look at the pictures below. Make 4 sentences. How many sentences? 4 sentences using at least 3 adjectives for each picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm going to tell you how you have to make. So, 6 sentences. Sorry. You have to make 4 sentences out of all these pictures. You can choose any. And you have to use at least 3 adjectives. Okay dear children, 3 adjectives for each sentence you will use. Okay, How you will do it? See, one example is given here. Emma went shopping, subject, verb, then gerund, and bought a plain, long, pink dress. 3 adjectives: plain, long, pink dress. And in a right order of adjective you have to use. Okay? Keep in mind the right order of adjective, then frame the sentences. Okay, dear children? So, how you will make? Like I am telling you, Namita is wearing a nice full length blue trouser for the party tonight. Okay, I have used 3 adjectives. So, question number 4 will be done on this sheet later. First, you will do question number 3. Question number 2 will be done later. Mark question number 2 here. Okay, dear children, this will be question number 2. A, B, C, D and yes. You have to make 4 sentences. A, B, C and D. Okay. But before that, you will do question number 3. You have to rewrite them in the same manner we did the previous exercise. So, you will stick this page over here and first see carefully how you have to do it. You will do this classwork, question number 3. We have to rewrite the sentences. Then the assignment will be done, question number 2 later. Understood, dear children? Yes. So, mark again. Read the following sentences carefully. The order of adjectives in each sentence is incorrect. We have to correct the order of adjective and rewrite the sentences carefully. So, you have to rewrite here in this sheet. You will stick it here. Okay. So, let's do. Sarah is wearing a nice, put one above, nice blue dress for the party tonight. Understood, dear children? Yes. Mr. Acharya is nice, kindly, young man you met the other day at my house. So, what will be the first adjective? Nice. Second will be kindly. And third will be young. Put numbers. Okay. Then you have to rewrite here. Third, the new restaurant serves spicy, number 1, delicious South Indian food. Listen again. The new restaurant serves spicy, delicious South Indian food. Mark. Spicy 1, delicious 2, South Indian 3. Done? Next. The room on the terrace was unclean first, musty second, old 3 and dark. Fourth is and dark. Clear? Next. The strange will be first, tall second, old third. Man you met the other day is my cousin. Strange 1, tall second, old third. Man you met the other day is my cousin. Clear, everyone? Hope you have got everything. Still, if any problem, you can ask me in the comment section. And I urge everyone to please give a thumbs up when you watch the video. And try to complete your assignments on time. Okay, dear children. Take care. Bye-bye.